When a number n is divided by 5, the remainder is 2. When n square is divided by 5, what shall be the remainder? It's a simple question. When n is divided by 5, the remainder is 2. And when n square is divided by 5, the remainder is 4. Let's see that how. For example, let's consider n is equal to 12, which is this n. So when you divide 12 by 5, you get remainder as 2. Likewise, n square, which is 12 square. 12 square is 144. And when you divide 144 by 5, you get remainder as 4. You can consider any number that brings a remainder for 5 as 2. So you'll get likely an answer of 4 as remainder. Thank you. How many numbers of first 100 positive integers are completely divisible by 3 or 4 without leaving a remainder? In the question they have mentioned 3 or 4, which means 3 into 4 is 12. You have to now find the positive integers which are divisible by 3 and add them with the positive integers divisible by 4 and finally subtract with the integers that are divisible by 12. Let's find out. When you find the positive integers completely divisible by 3, you get 33 as quotient. So 33 is the maximum number of positive integers divisible by 100. And in the same case, when you divide 100 with 4, you get 25 positive integers. With 12, you get 8 positive integers. The final step is to add the positive integers obtained by 3, which is 33, and by 4, which is 25, and subtract the positive integer obtained from 12. The values of 3 plus 4 minus 12 comes as 33 plus 25 minus 8 equals 50. How many numbers between 1 and 700 are completely divisible by 17? We have to divide 700 by 17 and we'll get 3 as remainder and 41 as quotient. In order to find out the completely divisible numbers under 700 by 17, we have to subtract the remainder with 700. So we got the remainder as 3 and we need to subtract to 700. When we subtract 700 minus the remainder, which is 3, we get 697. 697 we have to divide by 17. The remainder will be 0 and the quotient will be 41, which means 41 numbers are completely divisible by 17. Thank you. See you again in Quant 14. When 19 to the power of 300 is divided by 20, find the remainder. This is a complex question. All you have to do is to do a normal subtraction assuming that there is no power. So when you consider 19 as A and 20 as B, and when you subtract 20 minus 19, which is B minus A, not considering power in mind, you get 1 as remainder, which is 20 minus 19 equals 9. Therefore, the remainder is 1. Which of the following is greatest 3-digit number that is divisible by 13? The given options are 990, 575, 988, and 908. The first step is to divide the greatest 3-digit number, which is 9, and we get a remainder of 11. Next step is to subtract 999 with the remainder value 11. We get a value of 988. Now when we divide 988 by 13, it leaves 0 remainder. Therefore, the greatest 3-digit number divisible by 13 is 988, which is option C.